Good afternoon, guys. A little bit after 12. Let's talk about what's going on. So, there's a relief bounce overnight, and there's a chance I could wick the lows, or there's a chance I could reclaim. I don't know which, so I just told you what to watch for. So, here's the bull setup. Right here, this little piece of price action you can see right there. If we reclaim that area, we should backtest our breakdown. So, there's a long above there to about right there. Now, it'll look like this. It'll be like boom. It'll go really fast, and then it'll flag down a little bit. Unless it's on a news candle, you should have a good entry, and then you'll get it along to right there. That's your bull plan. You can see here that I have a continuation to here. My bull plan is assuming that part 2, the reclaim, right here will stick. Then we'll take new all-time highs. You want to target right here and right here for your reclaim. As far as the bear plan, what if we never get there? Well, we just wick the low again. It's not really, doesn't really change anything. It just means our range isn't done developing yet, and we could actually come below this a little bit. It doesn't really matter, but I think we're close, so let's not worry about it too much. Looking good there. Bitcoin is bullish. We're above my buy again, so I guess it wasn't all for nothing. I bought at 60. Oh no. 60, yeah, I bought about here, 63.9. I said 64, but I bought on support, so it is about right here, 63.9. Doesn't matter, it's just scratch worthy right now. I believe it's going to go higher regardless, guys. If it wicks down again, exact same as the yes, it could wick down again, but I don't really think it will. The reason for that is, what did we do? We looked at our ratio, and we came down into our back test. Our back test looks good. Now we expect to zoom out of here. This tells us that Bitcoin should outperform ES. God, I feel like a broken record saying this. I've been saying it for weeks, but we finally came down and filled our back test. I thought initially that this range would hold. It didn't hold. We came down. We filled the back test below it. Now I expect to zoom out of there. Doesn't mean ES won't go up. It just means Bitcoin and Bitcoin related plays are better than ES right now. Riot looks good. Mara looks really good. Oh, it's 10% day. That's fun. Oh, look at that. I'm just looking at the charts at the same time as you guys. I've never worried about any of this stuff, you know. Looks like it came down for a back test, set a higher low, and is zoomy. I haven't re-added on Mara yet, but I anticipate doing that. Just not yet. We'll wait for it to reclaim this zone. Take out a high, set a higher low, and I'll add on the higher low. Very similar to what I'm talking about in ES. Right, so if it comes up and sweeps the highs, I'll add on the higher low for ES on the back test of the reclaim. Let's go through the plays real quick, see what looks good and what doesn't. Mara looks good, Riot looks good. AMD, looks like we're heading back up. I think you should just hold that. Same as I said before. Coin, we're back to my buy-in, so we're not doing too bad. Oxy, we haven't hit the short entry yet. Big surprise there. We just gap filled. This is going to go up. I'm almost positive of it. My positioning was rough, but I'm basically break even on it now. It was a buy here, a sell here, an add here, and now because of that sell, we're just breaking even on our position. But it's going to go up. I'm pretty confident on this one. Netflix, we haven't got the short entry yet, or the long entry yet, but we are so close. I'm going to buy this capitulation down. So be ready for that. Please set alerts. I said this morning, but you need to have these on your charts. I talk about this stuff so far in advance that if you don't have these alerts and you're just waiting for me to say it in the channel, you probably need to update your style. Stopped out at MVAX when we broke this swing low. I am looking for a chance to add this again. This one was just a scratch too because of the take profits, but I do believe that we are going to go much higher on this one. I'm just looking for a chance to add. That means I am not going to add again till above 1018. Daily close above 1018, and I'm going to add to MVAX. So please put that on your chart. If I forget to put it in the channel, you need to have it on your chart. You could technically hold through all this. I don't think it's a big deal. I get specific about my positioning, so I don't hold money in the wrong place for too long. Palantir is going to go up. MSTR is going to track Bitcoin. That's going to go up. Looks like NVIDIA is fine. New, we're sold out of. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Everything looks really good to me so far. Bitcoin's even going up since we last talked about it. This thing is going to rip sooner or later. I just don't know about from a positioning sake if it goes like that first, and I just don't think it matters. That's why I got in right here. And didn't worry about all this during the doom calling. It didn't really matter to me. Like, I don't buy into the narrative of scariness or whatever. I look at the charts, and I knew that BTC DXY had just back tested and looks like it's pushing off, right? Like, this is a super bullish chart, guys. This is a filled back test. BTC ES is hitting its back test. BTC VIX, it's hitting its back test. It just gap filled to the tick, you know. Oh, speaking of, the VIX play worked out great. Took VIX puts right at the high on Friday close and closed those for like 70 something percent. So like that. Yeah. Yeah, I just I don't know the exact positioning of when they're going to reclaim this and if they're going to wick down or not. So this is what I want to happen, but just know that we have to work through this area first. I don't know what it's going to look like, so just be aware of that. That's about it, guys. Take care.